wind advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. What? Northwest winds 15 to 30 miles per hour expected with gusts to 45 miles per hour. Where? Utah Valley. When? Until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. What? Snow expected. Snow may be heavy at times through early this evening. Additional snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches with locally higher amounts in upper cottonwoods. Where? Wasatch Mountains. When? Until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Impacts. Winter driving conditions can be expected at times through this afternoon. Slow down and use caution while traveling. For graphical depictions of the snowfall forecast, including official National Weather Service forecast, high-end amount, and low-end amount, visit weather.gov/Salt Lake City/winter. For winter road conditions from the Utah Department of Transportation, visit http://www.utahtraffic.utah.gov/roadweatherforecast.aspx for dial 511.